video, I'm going to show you how to change a plan for your Netflix or your Netflix subscription. Keep watching the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the notification bell icon so that you'll never miss another update from us. If you'd like to change your Netflix subscription plan, the first thing to do is to go to your Netflix application and tap it on. Sign into your Netflix account if necessary, and once you're in your home screen of Netflix, go to your profile picture at the upper right corner. From the bottom of the page, select Account. From this page, scroll a bit down under Plans Details. Tap on Change Plan from this option, and now choose a desired plan that you'd like to change to. You can choose from Basic, Standard, and Premium. Your current plan for your Netflix will also be displayed with a tick mark on the page. Select any plan and tap on Continue in order to change your plan for your Netflix. A plan upgrade takes effect immediately so you can enjoy all of the added features. Since Netflix is a prepaid service, your billing date will change based on the remaining balance of your last payment. That is how you can easily change your Netflix plan or subscription. I hope you found the video to be helpful.